do and make quiz. Are you ready for it? I am going to tell you some sentences and you are going to tell me that whether do will come or make will come. So let's start. I have to my homework. I have to do my homework. Let's some coffee. Let's make some coffee. Don't forget to your payment. Don't forget to make your payment. I'll some exercise at the gym. I'll do some exercise at the gym. So if you also want to improve your English, then join my online classes or regular session. Subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, Study English with Hira. Thank you.